stunning design from a revered local architect, top of the line, luxurious updates throughout, and a private setting surrounded by nature's beauty. That's just the beginning of what you'll love about my latest listing in Pasadena's exclusive Oak Knoll neighborhood. Hi, this is Eva Lin. 896 Huntington Garden Drive is a picture-perfect home that's been completely renovated to the highest luxury standards. This is an unbelievable opportunity to purchase a classically beautiful home that's move-in ready and completely updated for modern living. I'm so excited to give you a tour, so follow me and you'll see just how special this home truly is. Welcome to 896 Huntington Garden Drive. Come on in. As soon as you step inside, you're captivated by the soothing palette and the glorious natural light that streams into every room. To the right of the entry foyer is a formal dining room, and it's the picture of elegance. The adjoining living room looks out to the beautiful front yard and the backyard, and it's anchored by this statement fireplace. Both rooms are beautifully scaled with tray ceilings and drenched in light. You'll love how the free-flowing floor plan allows for easy entertaining, whether on a large or small scale. One of my favorite features of this home is this oversized balcony because it creates such wonderful indoor-outdoor flow. The lush treetop views connect you with nature, and the balcony itself extends the home's feeling of abundant spaciousness even further. Now prepare to be dazzled by this design-forward kitchen because it's certainly a showstopper. Sophisticated style, high-end appliances, and vast space provides all the ingredients you need to create a meal worthy of a Michelin star. And even if cooking isn't your forte, the sleek, modern cabinetry, huge island, Neolith counters, and the ample seating found here are sure to make this the most popular gathering spot in the home. Here we are back at the entry foyer where you'll find a powder room perfect for guests, and through the double door is the luxurious odor suite. This expensive sanctuary is filled with light and features serene garden views. The bedroom has a high tray ceiling and is complemented by a huge walk-in closet. The stunning ensuite bath is ideal for pampering with its deep soaking tub, twin sinks, and a separate shower. Now let's head downstairs to check out the lower level. Of course, this home continues to impress, beginning with this sitting room, which can also be used as recreation room. You'll also love the spacious family room that flows out to the pool area through the glass doors. There are 3 spacious bedrooms on the lower level, one with an ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The other 2 bedrooms share a hallway bath that also serves the pool area. Outside, we find a beautifully designed garden and a sparkling pool. This private oasis is your direct route to tranquility, which has become increasingly hard to find. So that was 896 Huntington Garden Drive. Whether you seek a peaceful refuge from your busy life, desire an elegant moving-ready home, or require an impressive backdrop for entertaining, an enticing combination of all 3 awaits here. I invite you to reach out to me for a private tour while there's still time. You can call me at 626-807-6581 or find me at lanerealtygroup.com. Thank you so much.